Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to edit a photo using Lightroom Mobile. I'll use my free presets to edit the photo, and you will see how fast and easy it is. It only takes a minute to be done. I also suggest that you watch until the end of this video, where I'll be giving you a free presets that you can download and use to edit your photos. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more content related to photography. Let's start it! So, how's the presets? If you want to try the presets, just go to the description of this video where you will find the link to download the presets. I've also made a video how to install Lightroom Mobile presets that you can check in the description link. Okay, that's it guys. I hope that you found it helpful. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more content related to photography. Thank you and see you on the next videos.
Yeah.